These are Yeezys. People have lined up outside shoe stores overnight and even hired others to hold their place in line. And these shoes are also sold out quickly on their website, so fast. The man behind that craze is Kanye West. So today, Captain Discovery will reveal the secret behind the empire of Adidas Yeezy, a story of innovation, controversy, and cultural impact. This wasn't just a brand, it was a cultural phenomenon that changed the way we view fashion, business, and creativity. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating processes from around the world. The history of Adidas Yeezy began in 2015, when Adidas partnered with rapper and designer Kanye West. Following his split with Nike, Kanye sought a brand that would give him creative freedom, leading to the launch of the Yeezy Boost 750 as the first product in the collaboration. The line quickly gained traction for its innovative designs, premium materials, and exclusive drops, setting new standards in the sneaker industry. The Yeezy Boost 350, introduced later that year, became a global phenomenon, blending minimalist aesthetics with Adidas's Boost technology for comfort and performance. Subsequent releases like the Yeezy 700 and Yeezy Slides further diversified the product range, cementing the brand's cultural relevance. Despite its success, the collaboration faced turbulence. In 2022, Adidas ended its partnership with Kanye, following his controversial public statements, leaving behind millions of dollars in unsold Yeezy stock. The legacy of Adidas Yeezy lies in its ability to redefine the boundaries of footwear and streetwear. It combined innovation with cultural resonance, creating a product line that appealed to sneaker enthusiasts, fashion lovers, and collectors alike. Every Yeezy shoe begins with a bold, creative vision, driven by Kanye West's desire to merge art, functionality, and culture. The design process emphasizes minimalism, futuristic aesthetics, and innovative silhouettes that challenge traditional sneaker norms. With input from Adidas's design team, initial sketches and digital renderings are meticulously crafted to bring these ideas to life. The focus is always on creating footwear that feels both iconic and wearable. And do you know that the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zebra was so popular that during its first release in 2017, it sold out within minutes and immediately became one of the most sought-after sneakers on the resale market, fetching prices of over $1,500. Material selection is crucial, combining luxury and sustainability to meet the high standards of Yeezy enthusiasts. Premium materials like Prime Knit ensure a lightweight, adaptive fit, while Adidas's Boost technology provides unparalleled comfort and energy return. Designers also incorporate eco-friendly elements, such as recycled materials, aligning with modern values of sustainable fashion. Each component is carefully chosen to balance aesthetics, durability, and performance. And how many Yeezys do you have in your house? Share with us in the comments below.
Interesting that I just totally didn't expect is that this is actually a really great driving shoe.
Prototyping transforms concepts into tangible designs, bridging creativity and engineering. Each prototype undergoes rigorous testing to ensure comfort, support, and durability without compromising style. Designers refine details such as color palettes, stitching patterns, and midsole construction to achieve the perfect balance of form and function. Manufacturing takes place in state-of-the-art Adidas facilities, where skilled craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology. Advanced techniques like digital knitting are used to create seamless uppers, while midsoles are meticulously molded for precision. Quality control is paramount, with each pair undergoing detailed inspections to guarantee consistency. The result is a shoe that exemplifies premium craftsmanship and innovation.
Says Boost and it's yellow. I did not see that coming.
Hey my friend, like this video so you don't miss out on anything on this channel. The marketing of Yeezy sneakers transforms them into cultural events. Limited releases, cryptic teasers, and collaborations with influencers create buzz among fashionistas and sneakerheads. Drops are carefully timed to maximize demand, with exclusive colorways and models driving anticipation. Yeezy shoes are distributed through select Adidas stores, online platforms, and exclusive retailers to maintain their prestige. The limited supply creates scarcity, driving resale markets and cementing the brand's iconic status in fashion culture. Each pair sold contributes to Yeezy's legacy as a game-changer in the sneaker world. For fashionistas, owning a Yeezy shoe means being part of a movement that redefines style and innovation. Adidas is focusing on sustainability by using more eco-friendly materials and reducing its environmental impact. It plans to make all of its products from recycled materials by 2024, including shoes made from recycled ocean plastic in partnership with Parley for the Oceans. It has also introduced the Future Craft Loop, a fully recyclable shoe that can be returned and remade into new products. To lower its carbon footprint, it aims for carbon neutrality by 2050 and is shifting its factories to renewable energy. Additionally, it is committed to sustainable manufacturing practices and ensuring fair working conditions in its supply chain. Thank you everyone for joining the journey of making Adidas Yeezy. If you enjoy exploring anything in the world with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery. See you again!